Time is a key resource in today's fast-paced retail market, and increasing efficiency is critical for corporate success. Shopify POS recognizes the value of optimizing operations and provides a powerful set of automation options that enable retailers to automate repetitive procedures and streamline workflows. Automation in Shopify POS transforms the way merchants work, from inventory management to order processing and customer relations. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of automation in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it improves efficiency, production, and, ultimately, the bottom line. Inventory Management Simplified. Inventory management is critical for merchants in order to maintain ideal stock levels, avoid stockouts, and limit overstock situations. The automation features of Shopify POS make inventory management easier by automating various operations. Retailers can configure automatic low stock alerts to get warnings when inventory levels fall below predefined criteria. This enables shops to take proactive steps to replenish things before they run out, lowering the risk of missed sales opportunities and unsatisfied customers. Furthermore, Shopify POS automation enables smooth inventory syncing across numerous sales channels. Retailers can automate the updating and synchronization of inventory levels across their physical locations, online platforms, and marketplaces. This eliminates the need for human inventory adjustments, lowering the possibility of overselling or stock inconsistencies. Order Processing Simplified. Order processing efficiency is crucial for maintaining a consistent client experience and eliminating delays. The automation options in Shopify POS optimize order processing by automating numerous operations during the fulfillment process. For example, order confirmation emails can be sent to consumers immediately as soon as an order is placed, keeping them informed and reassured about their purchase. Furthermore, mailing labels can be generated automatically, saving retailers time and effort in shipping preparation. By linking with third-party logistics providers or in-house fulfillment centers, automation also simplifies the fulfillment process. Retailers can configure rules and triggers to route orders to specified fulfillment centers depending on parameters such as location or product availability. This simplifies the order routing process and guarantees that orders are filled on time. Customer communications that are unique. Building good relationships and driving client loyalty need effective customer communication. The automation features of Shopify POS allow retailers to automate tailored customer conversations, assuring consistent and timely engagements. To engage with clients at various points of the customer journey, automated email marketing campaigns can be built. Retailers can, for example, set up automatic welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart recovery emails to re-engage potential consumers, and post-purchase follow-up emails to collect feedback and encourage repeat purchases. Furthermore, automation enables merchants to segment their consumer base and send tailored messaging to them. Retailers can send personalized advice, exclusive deals, or birthday greetings to certain consumer segments by leveraging customer data and purchase history. This level of personalization increases consumer engagement, loyalty, and repeat transactions. Reporting and Analytics. Automation in Shopify POS extends beyond operational efficiency to provide important insights to shops through complete reporting and analytics. Retailers can develop automated reports that provide a comprehensive picture of important performance parameters like sales trends, inventory turnover, and consumer behavior. Retailers may save time and obtain timely access to crucial data by automating the development and delivery of these reports. These insights allow merchants to make more informed decisions, discover areas for improvement, and optimize their strategy for optimum profit.